Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jenna and welcome back to my channel. It's time for another interesting pattern. This pattern is called Herringbone Double Crochet. I'm very excited to teach you this. Let's get started. For this pattern, I'm going to be using a medium weight number 4 yarn and a 4mm crochet hook. First thing we do is we do a slip knot. And you chain as many stitches as you want for your foundation chain. I'm going to do 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. For the first row, we are going to start with this herringbone double crochet. Chain 1, and you go into the 4th loop or the 4th back loop from your hook. Yarn over, and you're going to pull through the stitch and you're going to pull through 1 loop. Yarn over, pull through a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. So that's how you make that double crochet. Yarn over into your stitch. Yarn over, pull through a stitch and pull through 1 loop. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over into a stitch, yarn over, pull through a stitch and a loop, yarn over 1 loop, go through 1 loop, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over into the stitch, yarn over, pull through a stitch and 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2.
And this is what it does, and you continue like this up till the end.
Once your row is finished, you'll get something like this. For row number 2, we're going to repeat the exact same thing. You're going to chain 2 loosely. 1, 2. This chain 2 will count as that double crochet. You turn and then you start yarn over into your stitch, yarn over, pull through stitch, through a loop, yarn over 1 loop, and yarn over, go through 2 loops. Continue, yarn over into the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, and yarn over, pull through 2. And you continue like this till the end. Once you have 2 rows completed, this is how it looks like. See how nice this looks. I really love the design. For all the next rows, you're going to be doing the exact same thing. And this is how the pattern looks like once you've done a few rows. This makes nice sweaters, scarves. I hope that you learned something about this pattern. I hope that you're going to be trying this pattern. It's very, very lovely. And have yourself a great day. Take care. See you in the next video.